Creating a new project. The project can be named anything. I'll name it labs_ca. Hit on OK. Create a new file. Let's call this AND gate. Make sure the type is VHDL. Close this one. We open this AND gate.vhd. We write our code here. Let me just paste the code that I have. Hit on save. So as we discuss in our class, these are the library. These are the input and output variables. This part is the entity declaration part, and then this part is our architecture or logic declaration part. Now we right click on this andgate.vhd, compile and compile selected. So if your code has no errors, then you can see that the compilation of this andgate.vhd is successful. Now we move to simulate, and then we start our simulation here. Okay, we'll go do this from another way. Let's go to library, and then if you see this particular work section here, if you open this, you can see our AND gate entity is being defined here, and then we also have our behavioral logic in this particular case. Now right click on this AND gate, hit on simulate. You can see that the simulation has begun. We select this AND gate here, and then we click on add wave. So now the waves has been added. Now we change our input variables. So basically the inputs are A and B, and then the output is Y. Click on a particular input type, right click on it, hit force. Let's provide a value 0 to here. Now we'll select our input B. We'll provide 1 here. So basically the two inputs are 0 and 1, and we'll see how our logic AND gate behaves here. So go to simulation and then run, and then click on run 100. You see that if we provide a low signal and a high signal, the output is always going to be a low signal in case of AND. Now we can change this input A to high signal. If we do this, we can observe that the output of both high signal will also be a high signal in this particular case. So this is how you run software and then compile and execute your code in this particular software.